Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Word voice typing. So let's get started. First, you want to click on the search bar on your PC or laptop. Then you're going to type in Control Panel. Now you're going to click over here and you're going to change category to large icons. Now you want to look for speech recognition, which is right here for me. Now you're going to click on Start Speech Recognition. Click on Next. From here, you're going to choose which type of microphone you would like to use, your headset or your desktop microphone. For now, I'm going to use my desktop microphone as I do not have my headset connected at the moment. So then you're going to click on Next. Then just start speaking a few words into the microphone. You don't have to read this whole thing here. Once the next button is, activated, then you can just click on it. Then click on Next. Click on Next again. From here, you're going to select Enable Document Review, then hit Next. Here, you can either use manual activation mode or voice activation mode. After that, you're going to click on Next. Next again. Here, you can disable this if you want, but after that, you're going to click on Next. From here, you can either start tutorial or skip tutorial. I'm just going to skip it for now. Now click on Dismiss. And as you can see, we now have this menu up here, and let's see if it works. To get it to start working, you're just going to click on this microphone button right here, and then you can start speaking. So now just say whatever you want to put in your document or page. And once you're done, you're just going to click the microphone button again, and the text will automatically be entered into the document or page. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.